Hello everybody, today we will do this split, and how to do it. I will show you some fast exercises which you can do for warm-up. So, you get sit in this position, take your back leg and fix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, take this leg and starting the push-ups for this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after slowly slide behind and try to sit this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to take your back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stretch. So we do more. I will take in this side. Take breathe, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe, write me good comments, and go watching my